So the idea is for you to leave this place and everybody look at you and say, holy shit, what happened to you? That is the impact we will have.
These conferences are not just about seeing some of the top business building speakers in the world, but it's about meeting industry influencers, business owners, and people who can impact the success of your business greatly.
Financial freedom in our life, and that comes because of the impact that we make on others. Amen?
Amen.
At this event, we are going to provide you numerous opportunities to connect and collaborate, and most importantly, develop a number of referral partners who are in your corner to help you create success.
Hi, I'm Vanessa Raymond. I'm at the Achieve Systems Business Building Conference, and we are having an amazing time connecting with other entrepreneurs. The speakers are absolutely amazing. Really.
I have watched our CEO, Robert Raymond, for almost 2 decades, help millions of business owners in so many different ways. At this event, you will connect, collaborate, and learn from business building icons. These conferences will impact the success of your business, just as it has so many others over the past 3 decades.
I want you to just think about how you were feeling. I want you to shake your hand.
We are so excited to have you here. We cannot wait for you to attend the award-winning Achieve Biz Explosion Conference. We cannot wait to help you explode the success of your business.